Shahrukh waited, gave me hand because he saw that girl is alone. He took me and saying, "Why crowd is voting for you?" I said, "Even I've done the TV." So he'll talk like this, very gentleman, very respectful. तुमने तो कपड़े उतारे उसमें, तुम तो ऐसी हो, तुम्हारे तो बच्चे नहीं, तुमको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. तो ऐसे बोलता था, मैंने किया क्या? Back to square one. Partner में I think I fell in love with Salman Khan. His personality, the way he is, the way he treated Govinda, the way he was there on the set is like. मैं बात नहीं करती थी शाहरुख से. मुझे बहुत डर लगता था उससे. We were staying on the same building. मेरे में जितना तुम दबोगे ना, दुनिया तुम्हें मार डालेगी. I used to get angry. I used to hit my daughter, and I'm like, Anjali, I always wanted children. Now why am I behaving with her like this? He's saying, ये लड़की चाहिए. No, me. मेरे घर में झगड़े हो जाएंगे, तूफान हो जाएगा because she wants to become an actress. You casting me.
Right. This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on screen, and I welcome you to our all new episode of Dear Me. The guest who's joining me today, well, if I have to say something about her, every 90s kid would very clearly remember, her as Ruby in Sonpari, or, as a character in Barbie. It was a negative character that she played. Bhavandar Pari, yeah. So, other than that, what's also amazing is that she has worked with the Khans. She's had a fabulous journey on the film front also. And there are so many stories to tell, to explore and whatnot. So, diving into conversation with Deepshika Nagpal.
Thank you so much for having me.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
I have to say this. I very clearly remember as a child, I remember seeing you in Shaktiman, Sonpari, then Shararat, also if I'm not wrong, and there was another show called Karishma.
Yes, Karishma.
With Karishma Kapoor in it.
Yes.
Wow. And what a journey you've had. हम उस पर आएंगे, but पहले मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ that how was Deepshika as a child?
Deepshika as a child was very complex.
Okay.
Very, very complex. No confidence at all. I couldn't speak. I was not being heard. I was not being safe because मस्तीखोर बहुत थी.
अच्छा.
लेकिन my mom and dad were actor, so वो बहुत travel करते रहते थे. घर में कोई होता नहीं था.
हाँ.
मैं और मेरी sister घर में अकेले. And me being an elder child, so every time I was very much in love with my mom. But she'll say, अरे वो छोटी है, अरे वो छोटी है. तो हमेशा मुझे तू जाने दे वो छोटी. तो मुझे तो था यार, मैं कोई बड़ी तो नहीं पैदा हुई ना. मैंने गलती की क्या बड़ी पैदा हुई है. So my mom used to always ask, and I used to always try to get her attention. I was very skinny.
Okay.
And my mom was Gujarati, dad was Punjabi. So Gujaratis में होता ना खाते पीते घर का. तो they said, अरे कितली सुकड़ी छे, कौन लगन करसे, सू थस्से, So I used to feel, why am I born? Why God has given me birth only, अगर इतना ही बुरा था, तो क्यों नहीं किया? And I was in English medium. My mom was doing shooting in Gujarat, so she put me in Gujarati medium.
Okay.
तो full complex.
Right.
ना इंग्लिश बोलना ठीक से आता है, ना सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, ना कुछ. तो मैं चुप रहती थी घर में बैठ के, बस खाना बनाऊंगी, घर साफ करूंगी, क्लीनिंग करूंगी. कि मैं ऐसा था कि मैं ऐसा क्या करूं कि मेरे माँ बाप मुझसे खुश रहे. बस that was my life.
Okay.
That's it.
But with that also, how did this sudden switch of coming in front of the camera happen then?
It's just they say, na, God has his own plan. The man proposes, God disposes. And my mom always wanted me to become an actress.
Okay.
Because I come from a filmy background. My Nana ji is from silent film, Vittal Das Panchotia. People know him, Master Vittal. He's given break to Mehmood ji, Ashok Kumar ji. So we brought up in filmy background. My mama was a cameraman, Tisri Manzil, Shagir. Mom was a director, producer. Dad was a director, actor. तो यही देखा है बचपन से. तो आई यूज्ड टू से मैं मर जाऊंगी, एक्ट्रेस नहीं बनूंगी. क्योंकि कोई घर में नहीं होता था. सबकी मम्मियां शाम को खाना बनाती थी, स्कूल में आती थी. My mom used to be not there. So I used to hate this profession. And I studied cost accountant, I studied BCom. मैं कुछ तो करती, like architect करती, interior करती, but actress नहीं बनती. And mom wanted me to become an actress. Dad never wanted me to become an actress. उनको चाहिए था मेरी बेटी IAS officer बने, typical UP.
अच्छा.
I was doing last year college and मुझे गाने का बहुत शौक था.
हाँ.
तो आई सेड मेरे को गाना गाना है. तो everybody is like, I said, Daddy, it's now or never. 7:30 के बाद you can't go out of the house. I said, Papa, please मुझे करने दो. And I was Daddy's good girl, Mama's good girl, you know. तो डैडी से चलो ठीक है. ऐसे इसके बाद क्या होगा, मेरी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्चे होंगे, लाइफ खत्म. Which I always wanted, ना.
अच्छा.
बोलते ना बड़ी होके क्या बनेगी, मैं शादी करूंगी, मैं बच्चे पैदा करूंगी, मैं ये करूंगी. तो ये तो सभी करते हैं. But because it was so important for me, because I never had that family life. Mom busy, dad busy. तो मेरे लिए वो था कि this I want to achieve. And I remember one big photographer was there, JP Singhal sir. When he was doing a photo shoot of mine, I was in 10th grade. He asked me, what do you want to become? I said, this. तो ऐसे ये तो कोई भी करता है. बोलते जानवर भी बच्चे पैदा करते, जानवर भी बड़ा करता है. What are you doing? I still remember his words. He said, God has made you something different, use it. And I'm like, no, what this guy is talking to me, you know, I'm not interested. Last year of college, one girl dropped out from the fashion show.
Okay.
I was bhenji, literally bhenji. सलवार कुर्ता इधर तक, पीछे लंबी चोटी, इतनी चूड़ियां, नीचे मुंडी करके जाने का. गर्ल्स स्कूल, गर्ल्स हॉस्टल, गर्ल्स बोर्डिंग, एवरीथिंग. लड़कों से कभी बात ही नहीं करने का. And I was going to the college and one girl dropped out, and I know my principal. I was in Dalmia College and my principal said, Baleri miss, this girl has dropped out, you become a model. I said, I can't become a model. So you're tall. I said, no, I don't wear shorts. But the college की इज्जत का सवाल है. And then I was like, अरे यार, college की इज्जत का सवाल है. I said, okay, I'll go. So I used to go for rehearsal wearing salwar kameez. And Lollipop and all, they were in my college senior. They all used to make fun of me. Hey, Gujju Ben, ये तो डांडिया खेलेगी, ये क्या करेगी. One Christian girl was there and she was very hot. And everybody's like, Candy will win, this will happen, that. I used to keep quiet. I said, I am doing, my focus was I'm doing for the college. So I used to look through. I used to walk, come back, this. When the actual pageant happened in the college, my dad was doing a Bhojpuri film and his hero was a judge. He didn't selected me. Shipra Shukla was there. She was a judge. And I did, मेरे पास short skirt भी नहीं था.
अच्छा.
तो वो short किसी का skirt लेके tube top बना लिया. मेरे बाल लंबे थे तो उसे fold करके boff cut कर दिए. Long skirt पहना. When they were doing my makeup, I was quiet. You know, nothing to lose. Look at her jawline, look at her collarbone, look at her this, look at her high cheekbones. And I'm like, what's language they're talking? And I'm a Gujarati medium girl, full complex child. I wanted to go for Miss India, but I didn't go because I thought सवाल पूछा और मेरे को गुजराती में जवाब देंगे, लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. I'm not.
Oh, अच्छा.
So I got selected. I did fashion show. I ran फटाफट. I still remember I'm wearing my salwan. And they said the winner is Deepshika Nagpal. And I'm like, me. I was like, me. मैं भागी ऐसे. मेरे को कैसे मिल गया? वो तो उसको मिलने वाला था. After that day, everybody's attitude towards me changed. They used to watch me, how am I walking? And Dalmia College is not that fashion hub. I wanted to go to Mithibai, but my Masi was a principal, so my mom put me in Dalmia College. तो मेरे पे नजर रहेगी. You know, full chaos. What kind of life it was. I won. I did for the teacher. Khatam baat. And then I got a call for jewelry ad, Kapoor Chand Jewelry.
अच्छा.
And मेरे साथ एक बड़ी एक्ट्रेस थी. And मेरे को ट्यूब टॉप पहनने बोला. I said, no, I can't wear because मेरी तो हड्डियाँ दिखती है ना. हड्डियाँ थी. But I wore it and for that हड्डियाँ looks good on the screen. So my picture came very nice. And college में जो सब बोलते ही थे परिन भाभी. But I think ये सब ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. And I did and I said, हो गया खत्म. And then my modeling career started. Why? Because my dad used to say, अगर मेरा बेटा होता तो वो ये करता, मेरा बेटा होता तो मेरा नाम रोशन करता. So I said, ठीक है, मैं करूंगी. मैं मेरे पापा के लिए करूंगी. I used to wear सलवार कमीज, भी ढीले डाले सलवार कमीज. ट्रेन में बैग लेके हम लोग मॉडलिंग के लिए जाते थे. 2,000 रुपए मिलते थे. चुपचाप ऐड करती थी, आ जाती थी. Because my face was so good, they used to call me. And they used to tell me, jeans पहन ले यार, ये ऐसे नहीं. That is how I started. Then I was doing ramp walk. And ramp walk में I got a call from Bharat Kapoor. He was doing Barsat Ki Raat film, who made Raees Zyada. I did that. And I said, first I said no. But uske pehle, Dev Saab called me. And my sister wanted to become an actress. I never wanted to become an actress. So I went with my mother. My Nana ji did small role in Guide. So it took us to Dev Saab. And मैं ऐसे झल्ले की तरह, I'm sitting. I was in 12th grade. And college, of course. And he's saying, ये लड़की चाहिए. No, me. मेरे घर में झगड़े हो जाएंगे, तूफान हो जाएगा because she wants to become an actress. You casting me.
Right.
What are you doing? This is nature. I said, no, I'm not doing. And my dad is saying, he's Devanand, Dipshi. My dad was in production and he knows all this thing. I said, no, I can't do it. And then they kept calling. So to keep his respect, I went and met and he asked me, why you don't want to do it? I said, Dev साहब मेरे से हाँ जी नहीं होता है, मैं ऐसे बैठती हूँ because like a tomboy, my dad is always brought up like a tomboy. हाँ क्या है क्या नहीं? I said they'll not like it. So he's saying you don't want to do it, don't do it, just do my movie. Everybody is not like that, and Dev Saab is a well-read, intelligent
Absolutely.
man. You know, I was sitting in his library, and he convinced me, and I got convinced. I said मैं तब पिक्चर करूँगी जब आप मेरी बहन को साइन करोगे.
Okay.
He said okay done because he was doing gangster and he wanted 9 girls in that. And I said, he said 3 picture. I said नहीं 1 picture. I only signed for 1 movie. And I just did 1 movie and we were just झल्ली की तरह इधर उधर खुदक रहे, नाच रहे, कर रहे. And it was thin, patla. I didn't realize when you're thin, camera catches you 30 times more than what you are.
Yes.
I has to look big on the screen. And I said, Mamta Kulkarni, Anita Ayub, everybody was there. I said, this is it. ये film खत्म, पैसा खजम, अपना काम करो, ये करो. Then Barsat Ki Raat came. I was shooting for that. And whatever my mother used to say, do this, I used to do it. Okay, my mom wants it, my mom wants it, my mom wants it. ऐसे करके my career started. And then I didn't look back.
Wow. But you know, this obedient child who's, you know, followed everything that, you know, the parents told. Has there been a moment up till now where, you know, they've now told you that we are proud of you, Deepshika?
Unfortunately, I lost my parents.
Okay.
Before, of course, they saw Koila. They saw Koila and Badshah, but I lost them very young age. And but I can see I did so much for my dad. I made a house for him. I gave everything to him. Today, if I'm successful in my terms, so because of their blessing.
Absolutely.
So my dad, I remember that incident. के कोई भी मायापुरी में आज भी मेरे पास वो बुक है. He used to do the cutting, paste करते थे, लगाते थे, ये डेट है. जब कोयला रिलीज हुई तो पूरी दुनिया मेरे घर में ऐसे हॉल में बैठी होती थी. And I said, Daddy, if you want to see the trial, you can come. And there was a small trial, Natraj studio में था. The whole bloody 150 people were there. Rakesh ji said, कोई थिएटर में जाएगा कि सब इधर देखेंगे. And I'm like, why did you do this? I'm shouting, you know how.
He's called 150 people.
My dad called 150 people. दूध वाला भी आ रहा है, भाजी वाला भी आ रहा है, ये भी आ रहा है, वो भी आ रहा है. And you're shit scared. And I'm like, what are you doing? You know how you feel ashamed. I said, आप पागल हो क्या ही करे? मैंने नहीं बुलाया, लोग खुद आ गए. किस तुमने नहीं बुलाया? Now I see, I feel it's so cute. But that time I was thinking, and he saw the movie. He's very shy man. He'll not express his feeling. You know, he'll not even come and hug me also. But he said, I'm very proud of you. And recently I'm doing one film, Maula Uncle's film. Maula Uncle and my dad was very close. And he said, you know, Dipshi, your dad used to be very proud of.
Wow.
So, of course, they will, where they've seen me.
I'm sure they'll be super proud today.
Yeah.
And, you know, seeing them as actors so closely, seeing this profession so closely also, it was easy for you to navigate your way into the industry?
See, I never wanted to become an actor.
Yeah,
so,
right.
वो कभी ambitious था ही नहीं कि मुझे बहुत बड़ी स्टार बनना है. पिक्चर देखते हैं, हम एंटरटेन करते हैं. मैं माधुरी को बहुत इमिटेट करती थी, नकल करती थी, डांस सीख जाती थी, मस्ती बहुत करती थी. बट कभी ये सोचा नहीं था कि मैं एक्ट्रेस बनूंगी. सो व्हेन देव साहब के साथ हुआ तो द कैमरा एंड द थिंग वाज वेरी इजी फॉर मी. आई हैड नो फियर ऑफ सेट कि जो लोगों को डर लगता है ना, नर्वस हो जाते, वो मेरे में कभी नहीं था. क्योंकि मैं बचपन से डैडी के साथ डायरेक्शन में पीछे बैठती थी. वो डैडी बोलेंगे इसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती है, लाइट इधर करो, बेबी का मुंडी काटो, एंड यू लाइक बेबी का मुंडी काटो, यू नो लाइक दिस. सो वी नो कि ये कैमरा है, ये एंगल है, ये डायलॉग्स है, हिंदी ठीक से नहीं आती है. सो वी बचपन से वी हर्ड दिस.
अच्छा.
सो बाय डिफॉल्ट परफेक्शन वाज देयर, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आवर डायरेक्टर एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स टू फील प्राउड ऑफ. हाउ डज शी नो एक्टिंग? I remember Anil Kapoor offered first when I was doing Barsat Ki Raat, Ladla film ka gana Anil Kapoor offered me. I remember I was in my makeup room Filmistan and he came and I was mad behind Anil Kapoor. मेरे बचपन में रूम में अनिल कपूर की फोटो लगी रहती थी. कोई अगर मुझसे झगड़ा करे तो दीपिका को मनाना, अनिल कपूर का पोस्ट कार्ड फोटो दे दो.
अरे वाह.
तेजाब, साहेब, all this movie, you know. So he comes to me and I'm like, I'm sitting like this. He's telling, you know, you look like Parveen Babi. And I'm like, yeah, I know. But it was not rude, but I was like, what do I say? Say, yeah, we are doing this song. You want to do it? So without thinking, I said, no, if I want to do it, I'll do film with you. And he said, okay. मतलब कोई था नहीं, गॉडफादर ना ये चाहिए होता आपको,
Right.
कि आप जाओ, आप बात करो, क्योंकि हमारे घर में कभी बातचीत होती नहीं थी. We are 4 aces in the house. Nobody will discuss. They all take their own decision. I said no. I thought convince करेंगे, मुझे बोलेंगे कुछ तो होगा. Nothing. And I didn't do that song. लड़की है क्या रे बाबा.
But उसके बाद आपने किसी से डिस्कस किया कि this is what happened?
Stupid. मतलब आज भी बोलती हूँ क्या बेवकूफ थी. That's why I tell my children, please talk. Please discuss. Now तो they तो discuss with the whole bloody world. They have their friends. They have their agency. They have this. We had nobody. I wish I would have done that. Yeah.
Absolutely.
My career would have been different.
You know, from saying no to this song with Anil Kapoor, online it says you've done Karan Arjun also, which is not true. But you rejected the role.
I can't say I am too small to reject that role. Please correct this because people write like that to make a gossip.
Yes.
I trust you. I didn't reject. I was new. I didn't wanted to do film. And my mom took both the sister to Rakesh ji when he was casting for Karan Arjun. And they were showing picture. And I used to always tell mom, दोनों की photo क्यों दिखाते हो आप? They get confused. And then my sister gets angry, you know. She said, why are you bringing? Because she's a very beautiful woman, but she's different personality. I'm a different personality.
Right.
So when he was casting for Karan Arjun, as I said, I was very thin. Maybe Rakesh ji wanted me to that role. तभी नहीं समझ में आया. He's telling, I want to cast her. I said, no, I don't want to do it. I thought, अगर मैं मना करूँगी, this was real reaction. No, I don't want to do it. If I say no, he'll cast my sister.
Acha, their elder sister instinct kicked in always.
He'll cast her, na, because he's looking for the heroine. Then didn't happen, and I forgot about it. And then I was doing serial Unche Log Bobby Kent ka, and Rakesh ji came for the Murat, and he said, मैंने तुम्हें film offer की, तुम TV कर रही हो? He reminded me. The best part about Rakesh ji, he owns it कि हाँ मैंने बोला था. That's why I can even quote him.
Right.
He will not say कि मैंने नहीं बोला था. So I am nobody to reject that film. And then I realized that why he wanted me, because Mamta Kulkarni's role was very tomboyish, very boyish kind of a thin girl. And I'm like, I wish I could have done that. But तभी भी मुझे इतना नहीं strike हुआ. ये जो मेरे स्यापे लाइफ के है ना, ये लॉकडाउन के बाद मुझे हिट करने लगे. क्या किया मैंने, तू क्या कर सकती थी? But I think it's too late.
And I think it was somewhere destined that you will work with Salman and Shah Rukh someday.
Someday.
And that is when Koila happened.
Koila happened, yeah.
And Koila में भी क्या ही role था.
That is again thanks to Rakesh ji.
Absolutely.
So when I was doing TV, after the Gangster, when I started working, then क्या होता, पिक्चर को 5-5 साल लगते थे, रिलीज नहीं होती थी, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन कि रिलीज क्यों नहीं हो रही है. एंड उस टाइम पे A-lister फिल्म में सिर्फ अमिताभ बच्चन, राजेश खन्ना ऐसी होती थी. शाहरुख, सलमान, एवरीबडी वाज न्यू. अनिल कपूर मूवी एंड ऑल. सो व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग फिल्म, तो जो भी फिल्म आते थे, नाना जी हमेशा बोलते थे, कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, काम काम होता है. तो जो भी फिल्म आती थी मैं हाँ बोल देती थी. I used to not see they typecast as a B grade movie because बड़ा हीरो नहीं है, नया हीरो है, प्रोडक्शन नया है. तो ऐसे मैंने 2-3 फिल्में की, तो ट्रेड गाइड में छप गया. तो उसकी वजह से दूसरे फिल्म वाले मुझे साइन नहीं करते कि वो शी इज डूइंग स्मॉल फिल्म. एंड आई वाज लाइक, नाउ व्हाट डिड आई डू? मतलब यू नो, नो नॉलेज, हाफ नॉलेज इज बैड. एंड देन अगेन गड़बड़. तो ऐसे अभी ये क्या, अब मैंने हाँ बोला तो अब मेरा काम नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं हुआ. देन द सीरियल केम अजनबी टू मी एंड आई सेड यस. आई सेड बिकॉज आई गेव माई सेल्फ 5 years. मेरे को 5 साल पैसा कमाना है, मुझे एक फ्लैट खरीदना है, गाड़ी खरीदना है, फिर शादी करनी है, बच्चे पैदा करने हैं, तो मैं ये जिंदगी भर तक एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकती. सो आई टू से यस टू एवरीथिंग. व्हेन आई डिड अजनबी, देन आई डिड स्कैंडल सीरियल where Satish Kaushik was producing.
Yes.
And Satish ji wanted to launch me, but that time he didn't have any movie. So he took me in the serial.
Wow.
And he offered me both the roles, but I took the negative one. It's more challenging. And मेरा फ्रेम पे फ्रीज हुआ होगा. एंड राकेश जी स्टोरी कि मैं विस्की पी रहा था और मेरे लड़की कौन है, पेन पेपर लेके बैठा. एंड आई कॉल सतीश एंड ही सेड इसको मिलना है. एंड आई वाज इन द ऑफिस एंड ही नरेटेड मी एंटायर स्क्रिप्ट. आई सेड आई एम डूइंग इट सर. एंड कोयला आई डिड. एंड ही नेवर मेड मी फील दैट मैं कोई छोटी एक्ट्रेस हूँ या बड़ी हूँ या शाहरुख और माधुरी was star only. He treated all of us similar.
Yes.
And I remember राकेश जी told me कि जब मुझे साइन किया सबने मना किया इसको मत साइन करो.
क्यों बट?
कि नहीं प्रोजेक्ट गिर जाएगा, ये लड़की नहीं है, उसने कुछ ऐसे छोटी मोटी पिक्चरें साइन की है, अच्छा नहीं होगा. But because Rakesh ji has his own journey as an actor, he understood.
Yes.
He said, I am taking you. And thanks to him, and I did Koila and I did my work, so I'm here.
But by then, Shah Rukh Khan was also quite an established name in the industry.
Oh my God.
Sharing screen space with him, doing scenes with him, उनकी बाहों में मरना.
बाप रे बाप.
How was that experience? Wow, nervous. Were you nervous?
Of course, I was nervous. I was like, oh my God. So Shahrukh, Dilwale Dulhaniya was released. And I was in love with Raj.
Okay.
And when Koila offered to me, he said, Shahrukh Khan hai. I was like, oh, Shahrukh Khan is like this, you know. And I remember Hrithik was in the office.
Huh.
He used to just assist things.
Yeah.
And I said, my God, what a handsome son you have. And Hrithik ki jo 6 finger thi, I told him, you are very lucky, you know, you'll become very successful.
Yeah.
He said, do you think so? He said, yeah. And I was shooting, mera first day shoot, Shahrukh ke baahon mein marna, death sequence.
First day पे.
First day पे.
Okay.
तो जो scene अभी film में है ही नहीं.
अच्छा.
So I went there, evening 4 बजे 5 बजे का शिफ्ट था. शाहरुख को शूटिंग संभल है तो शाहरुख के अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4 o'clock. अब तब तक हम सब वेट ही कर रहे थे, कमालिस्तान में सेट लगा हुआ था. तो वहां पे राकेश जी ने चल दीपिका के साइलेंट शॉट ले लेते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू डायरेक्टर साइलेंट शॉट्स आर वेरी टफ. फॉर मी इज ओह वेरी गुड साइलेंट चलो. तो वो जो मैं मरती हूँ, मेरा एक्सप्रेशन, तो मुझे मेरी लाइट पता था, मेरी मार्क, दीपिका दिस इज योर मार्क्स, आई हैव टू गो ऑन माय मार्क, आई हैव टू डू दिस थिंग. सो समीर एंड Rakesh ji said, how does she know all this technicality? They didn't know my background.
हाँ.
तो मैंने कर दिया. तो जब राकेश शाहरुख आया 4 बजे, तो राकेश जी, you met Shahrukh? I said, no. Shahrukh was smoking. Now I said, Deepika is very good actress. Rakesh ji was very excited कि I casted a good girl. Thank God. People were telling me, you know, डर होता है ना कि नहीं हुआ, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. तो शाहरुख से, let's see. Oh my God, let's see. मतलब मेरी तो बेइज्जती कर दी उसने. I'm like, नहीं. अभी तो मैं करके दिखाऊंगी. लेट्स सी बोला ना, अभी तो ना इज अ चैलेंज फॉर मी. कट टू 1 पेज का डायलॉग के वो इधर गई है, मतलब माधुरी इधर गई है, ये इधर गई है, वो उधर गई है. एंड ही शाहरुख आई डोंट नो दैट बिंदिया लव्स हिम.
हाँ.
सो शी इज डाइंग एंड शाहरुख बिंदिया क्या हुआ? नहीं, आई एम हियर. शाहरुख दिस इज मी. I can still smell him, you know. And I did फट my line. And कट हुआ, उसने छोड़ा और मैं उठ के चली गई. Everybody clapped. It was very good. And I was quiet. I said, thank God I did it. Then we were shooting in Jaipur, Samod Palace and all this thing. And then we got little... Because मैं बात नहीं करती थी शाहरुख से. मुझे बहुत डर लगता था उससे. And we were staying on the same building. This is my flat. This is Shahrukh's room. This is like Rakesh ji gave the choice. Rakesh ji ने Karan Arjun के time पे building बना ली थी. And he said, we all are staying here. If you want to stay in Samod Palace, you can go and stay. I said, no, I'll stay where you all are staying.
अच्छा.
So our room is connected to each other. शाम को हम लोग कैरम वैरम खेलते थे, सब होता था. बट मैं बात नहीं करती थी. ट्रंक कॉल पे वेट करना, फोन लगाना. Because I was in love with him. I couldn't tell him. One day I went to his room. I said, hi. He said, hi. I said, come sit. I said, no, I'll go down. I didn't sit. I said, shit में बैठ जाती, shit में बात कर लेती, shit में दोस्ती कर लेती. It didn't happen. And that scene. And then I told Shahrukh, okay, you know, Shahrukh, you did this. Shahrukh said, I'm so sorry. He said, Deepika, I believe in my space. मुझे तो स्पेस का मतलब ही नहीं पता था कि क्या होता है. So that's why I kept yours. I said, but good you did that. अगर नहीं किया होता तो शायद मैं कोयला में नहीं होती.
Absolutely. But did that let's see change? The let's see comment. उसके बाद when you actually gave the shot, उसके बाद what did he have to say?
He doesn't talk too much. Shahrukh is very quiet person. He focuses in his work. He makes sure he has his gesture, you know. So Ajnabi was hit and we were shooting and जब ये घोड़े वाला इंट्रोडक्शन सीन था, जब पैकअप हुआ शाम को तो सब लोग छोटी they were hooting all the crowd. So everybody left. I was behind. Shahrukh waited, gave me hand because he saw that girl is alone. He took me and he said, why crowd is hooting for you? I said, even I've done the TV. So he'll talk like this, very gentleman, very respectful.
Wow.
और हमको तो नहीं शाहरुख मैं से नहीं बात कर सकती. Then we came, अच्छा how was it, this. फिर एक दिन बारिश गिर रही थी. तो एक ही छतरी था, वो वैनिटी तो होता नहीं है. तो मैं और शाहरुख एक छतरी में से.
Wow.
And I'm talking, I said, you know, this, and he's telling I was in a boarding school. He was talking about his life, I was talking about my life. So Master ji, oh ho, chhatri thodi aur choti hoti. Shahrukh said, you know, I'll never make comment on girl like this. For me, you are the same. How I'll talk to the guys, I'll talk to you.
Right.
So that is not that we are very normal relationship. Then I was doing घूमटे में चंदा song. तो 10 दिन गाना चला और मैं रोज मेकअप करके घूमटे में बैठती थी. तो शाहरुख बहुत मस्ती करता है. तो इसे तू रोज मेकअप क्यों करती है? ऐसे किस दिन तो घूमटा उठेगा ना. तो ऐसे I want to be ready. And that's how he used to make fun
Wow.
of me and all. So beautiful memories, you know.
And if I'm not wrong, Koila was a game changer for you
Yes.
also. What happened after Koila? How did
So-
life change?
You know, I think God has some weird plan for me. So Koila, all the movies were not releasing.
Huh.
It took 5 years. And Koila finished in 9 months and released first.
Okay.
Like after Gangster, Koila released first, तो typecast होता है कि negative role. But entire industry was talking about me. And after Koila, I was shooting for T2 Tony's film. And I met with an accident.
Okay.
I had 27 stitches on my hand. कार क्रैश हुआ and I was like this. कोयला की शूटिंग कंप्लीट हो गई थी. तो जब ट्रायल सब चलते थे तो मुझे सब बोलते थे, you know, Subhash is praising you this one, praising you this one. I'm like, oh nice, nice. और मेरा हाथ टूट गया. My Nana ji is sick, my mom is there, my dad is alone, I am dependent, my sister is pregnant, what do I do? And mine is like, I think I should get married, you know, because वो gap जो होता है ना,
Yes.
एक फिल्म के रिलीज से दूसरे तक उतना पेशेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right.
तो कोयला रिलीज हुआ, but by the time कोयला रिलीज I was married.
1995 this is.
कोयला रिलीज 1997.
Okay, 1997 you got married. Okay.
कोयला
Yes.
रिलीज 1997.
Shoot हुआ था 1995 में
Yeah,
ना?
1995.
Okay.
95, 96. So I was married. So for me, nothing. बाकी सबने तारीफ की, डैडी ने देखा, ये देखा, वो देखा. But कोयला was flop. Koila was flop in the sense, Koila was not hit like Karan Arjun.
Right. Yes.
So I'm like, अरे flop तो तेरे flop हो गई picture. So they don't cast you. Film were not coming to me. They were coming as Mona Darling, you know, sexy दिख रही है, अच्छी दिख रही है. तभी heroines होती थी माधुरी दीक्षित, जूही चावला, healthy, very Indian attire. I said मेरा तो कोई चांस ही नहीं यहाँ पे. वो हो गया, वो character हो गया, like a one movie wonder and खत्म. But I was like, यार मेरे को अभी तो now to earn, I have to do this thing. Then I started doing TV. I then Ken Ghosh called me for Diler Mendy's song.
Okay.
And मेरा focus, I said I'm a cost accountant and I'm a Gujaratin. पैसा चाहिए, घर बनाने के लिए पैसा चाहिए, career वगैरह भूल जाओ, कुछ नहीं है. So song came, I did song, I did this. Rakesh used to tell me, Deepshika, wait. I said, no, Rakesh, nobody's going to launch me. I can't wait. I have to get married and right time. Everything has to be done. पता लगा मैं वेट करती रहूं, God forbid something कुछ नहीं हुआ, मैं frustrated हो जाऊं, मैं मुझे सब नहीं करना. So I took a wise decision that time, and I got married, and I had my family. And Badshah also released. I was married. So I didn't enjoy it, and Badshah was also not hit the
I
way
remember
Bazigar
that.
was hit.
Absolutely. But you know, Badshah mein when you met SRK, what was that meeting for the second time, working with him once again? What was that like?
And Shah Rukh has recommended my name in the movie Badshah,
Oh.
which I got to know after the movie was complete. So Shah Rukh must have seen dedication, working, because he's very, very, very workaholic and very, what do you call, focused person. So I didn't know. तो मेरे पास सारी फिल्में आती थी और मैं करती थी.
अच्छा.
कोई PR व्यार नहीं था मेरा कि
हाँ.
कोई बाकी ये करेगा वो करेगा. So when I was doing Badshah, I like hi how are you? वो चिल्ला और मस्ती वस्ती करता रहता था on शाहरुख खान. But I used to be very quiet, you know. I used to not reciprocate. वो दिल्ली का बंदा, मैं बॉम्बे की. तो and he was married. He used to invite Dipshi, come home. Everybody comes home. Gauri and Shahrukh were newly married that time, you know. तभी I used to not go because of my complex. आज लगता है चली जाती यार.
But वो क्या complex? Like what was the
कि
complex?
यार मैं इन लोग बड़े लोग हैं यार. They are big stars. What can I go and do it? Karan Johar used to come on the set. I remember with his father Hiru ji and all. And तभी वो बात करते थे. कितने लोग आते थे. हम लोग बैठ के देखते रहते थे. But I was also so young and I didn't think of business. There was nobody guiding me.
Right.
नहीं हुआ. बादशाह किया. बादशाह से you know Shahrukh, I'm getting married. He said congratulations. खत्म. उसके बाद कोई फिल्म की ऑफर नहीं आई मुझे. और जो भी आती थी ये इसके बॉयफ्रेंड का चीट कर रही है, शी इज अ बिच, शी इज अ सेकंड वुमन. आई सेड प्लीज आई डोंट वांट टू डू ऑल दिस थिंग because people started judging me.
हाँ,
ये तो
and I think so that also used to happen once you played a negative role.
Yeah.
One negative role and वो image बन जाता था.
तभी कोई नहीं करता था नेगेटिव रोल ना.
Right.
तभी था ये ऐसे कि ये नेगेटिव रिस्पेक्ट नहीं हो रही थी कि ये तो साइड एक्ट्रेस है, ये तो बुरे काम करती है. You don't want to hear that. You will live in society. आज अगर मुझे कोई बोलता है get a fuck, I'm doing my work, you know, like that. So नहीं हुआ, and then life just took. I was started doing TV. I was busy in TV, marriage, children, all this thing. I forgot about it.
Wow. But then TV में also you've played a lot of negative roles.
Because typecast ना उस time पे कोयला was negative.
Mhm.
Negative in the sense heroine तो नहीं है ना. कोयला में बिंदिया was not negative. Bindiya was in love with Shahrukh and she saves Madhuri Dixit. But she was working with Amrish Puri, so she's negative. हाँ, तुम तो अमरीश पुरी के साथ थी ना.
उस टाइम पे ग्रे कैरेक्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था. इट वाज आइदर विलेन और हीरो.
बादशाह दोस्तों विलन के साथ है ना, तो नेगेटिव है. तो वो नेगेटिव हो गया था एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनालिटी, ग्लैमरस रोल, तो टीवी भी ऐसे ही ऑफर करता था मुझे. सो देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट एंड आई यूज्ड टू फील एंड सी टू परफॉर्म नेगेटिव रोल्स आर ब्रिलियंट. You have full freedom, you can do whatever you want to do it. So as an actress, I love doing negative role. But because people were judging me, तो I used to hate it. कि मैं बुरी नहीं हूँ यार, मैं अच्छी हूँ यार, मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो. एक्सप्लेन ही करती रहती थी मैं सब.
And हर कोई वो दुनिया को समझता नहीं है. So coming from playing a negative role and coming from that world into coming to this world, what was the judgment that you used to come across very often?
Which world?
Like acting world से coming into the family world.
What?
People around you, relatives, ये सब negative characters देख के क्या comments आते थे?
You won't believe. लॉकडाउन में मुझे लगा कि मैंने कोयला बादशाह जैसी बड़ी फिल्म की है. तब जब शूटिंग करके आप घर आते हो और आप घर में आके आपके काम को कोई अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं करता है, बिकॉज आई लॉस्ट माई पेरेंट्स, तो कौन बताएगा व्हाट यू हैव डन, तुमने तो कपड़े उतारे उसमें, तुम तो ऐसी हो, तुम्हारे तो बच्चे नहीं तुमको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. तो ऐसे बोलता था मैंने किया क्या? बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. That whatever I've done in my life, why did I do कोयला बादशाह in my life? नहीं करती तो अच्छा होता. So I was so complex. So I used to not tell. तब इतना इवेंट्स इतना नहीं होता था, लोग खुल के नहीं आते थे. सोसाइटी भी तो वैसी ही थी ना. अरे ये तो वो तो कोयला में थी ना. क्या किया मैंने कोयला में यार? सीन किए, हमको पता था सीन था. आई रिमेम्बर राकेश जी asked me, दीपिका ये सीन दिखाना है that she's stripping. ऐसे कोई बात नहीं राकेश जी, because my dad was a director. I said एक काम करते हैं, आप जब फर्स्ट सीन लोगे, I'll wear a tube top dress. I'm standing like this. The clothes is there. बैक था, मैंने ऑल्टरनेट स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम पहना और मैंने ऐसे हाथ रखे तो बैक शॉट हो गया. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड शॉट आई एम टॉकिंग. एंड वी आर डूइंग के कपड़े गिरते तो वी आर स्टैंडिंग लाइक दिस एंड जस्ट ड्रॉप द ड्रेस. दैट वाज अ शॉट. बट स्क्रीन पे लाइक ओह माय गॉड, आई रिमूव द क्लोथ्स. बट आई सेड इट वाज सो इजी टू, राकेश जी टोल्ड मी कि इट वाज सो इजी टू शूट विद यू बिकॉज़ यू अंडरस्टूड कि हाँ ये सीन की डिमांड है, हम करते हैं. तो क्या प्रॉब्लम थी यार? एंड उतना मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा था, I used to not tell people. My daughter used to break कोयला का CD. नहीं चाहिए पिक्चर ने. I said क्या हुआ है? तो मैं तो चुप रही. अब जब we never thought कि society will change, right. People will appreciate, the glamour will be respected, nudity will be respected. Now when my children say, अरे मम्मा I was small, I said but psychological मुझ पे कितना असर हुआ था कि I'm a failure as an actor, I'm a failure in a marriage. I'm failure in everywhere.
Right.
So it was I said कोई positive role दे दो यार. But I used to get negative because मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं, मुझे घर चलाना है. So I used to do it.
But kudos to you that it didn't break your spirit. कितना भी criticism came your way, you never let that break your spirit in a sense.
अंदर से तो मैं बहुत टूट जाती थी.
हाँ, but वो दुनिया को एक बार पता चल जाता है कि ये अंदर से टूट गई तो वो लोग और मारते हैं. ये
मैंने सीखा था. There is no market for your sorrow. माय नाना जी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से कि घर की प्रॉब्लम घर में रखो, काम की प्रॉब्लम काम में रखो. मेरे घर में लड़ाई झगड़ा हो या कुछ भी हो, मैं सेट पे जाके हंसती खेलती थी. हाँ क्या सीन है, रेडी टाइम पे होना, ये होना वो होना. बिकॉज मुझे मालूम था आउट ऑफ साइट इज आउट ऑफ माइंड. मैं मेरा काम कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगी. ये मैंने ठानी थी, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं काम करती रहूंगी. एंड बिकॉज माई वर्क वॉज हीलिंग मी. जैसे कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ लेकिन मैं शूटिंग में इतनी बिजी हूँ. जैसे बच्चे को कैसे होता है, एक खिलौना आपने ले लिया और रो रहा है, आपने दूसरा दे दिया, भूल गया. So my acting career was my दूसरा खिलौना.
Right.
Okay, do this. So from morning to night you're busy with your dress, with your makeup, with your scene, with your this. By the time you come back home, you forgot. And then evening you remember, अच्छा ऐसा हुआ था. It's kind of healing process for me. It worked in my favor. Wow.
Also, you know, the Deepshika who was an obedient child, who wouldn't speak so much, what point or at what moment in your life, you know, you figured that you found your voice and you were like, bas ho gaya, I will just stand up for myself.
You were the first person who asked me this, you know. This one actually incident happened. I used to not talk. I used to keep quiet. सब बोलेंगे मेरा कोई बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं होता था, कुछ नहीं, डैडी इतने स्ट्रिक्ट थे. तो एक्चुअली वो गुड गर्ल होते ना पुराने जमाना, एकदम ही पुराने जमाने के. आई एम अ ओल्ड सोल, आई कैन जस्ट से काम करो घर आओ. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, जैसे मायापुरी में फोटोग्राफ्स आएंगे, अगर मैं ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ, यहाँ से फोटो लिया तो माय हैंड इज ऑन योर बूब्स.
ओके.
एंड दे से कैसी फोटो है, कैसी फोटो. आई सेड बट ऐसा तो कोई फोटो ही नहीं था, ऐसा तो कुछ था नहीं ना. हाउ दिस टू मेक हेडलाइंस वेरी थिंग. अभी कोई घर में छोड़ने आ जाए गाड़ी में, कौन आया, ये आया. आई यूज्ड टू क्राई, आई डोंट हैव अ बॉयफ्रेंड, आई हैव नोबडी, डैडी नहीं है, ये डैडी से आई नो ना बेटा, बट आई सेड बट हाउ डू आई कीप, आई सो आंसर एवरीबॉडी. तो मैं चुप रहती थी. अभी जैसे आप किसी मीटिंग में जा रहे हो और दरवाजा बंद हो गया, एसी चल रहा है, माय हार्ट इज लाइक दरवाजा क्यों बंद है, दरवाजा, बिकॉज इतना बुरा सुना हुआ था ना इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. None of them, I'm telling you honestly, none or nobody made a bad comment on me, nothing, because I was doing my work. But दरवाजा बंद, ऐसे लोग क्या सोचेंगे, what will they think, what am I doing inside, what am I doing inside. So I was like, जब बाहर आती थी ना तो सब ऐसे देखेंगे, you know how, and I'm like shit, I've not done anything, I'm just there for the meeting. It was just choking me. One day I don't know what happened, somebody commented, I was shooting with Vivek Shok बरसात की रात in Kullu Manali. And Vivek said, Deepshika, I don't want to name the actor, is a big actor, forget it. He's saying this actor is talking shit about you.
Okay.
Then you met him and you had a dinner. I'm like, really? This really? Because Vivek I used to trust. Vivek kabhi jhoot nahi bolega. I went and I bajawed. I don't know what happened. I said, abhi nahi bolungi to kabhi nahi bolungi. What did I do with you? Tell me what I did. When did I come to you? I was like this and he got scared. After that, Deepshika's changed. After that, I am like, अगर तुम पूछोगे ना दीप्शी तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है, I said ऐसे तो इन लोग ना तुम्हें मार डालेंगे. Deepshi, you have a boyfriend? Which one are you talking about? I have 4 boyfriends. Which one are you talking about? How was it? Fantastic. You want to go it? Do it. You were going out with it. Is it your boyfriend? I started talking like this. I started screaming loudly like a lioness. तो सब भाग जाए. कोई नहीं पूछता था मुझे. कोई मुझे आज तक लोग डरते, मेरे पास आता ही नहीं. That one shift happened. Thank God it happened. Otherwise, I would be like, मेरे पास जितना तुम दबोगे ना, दुनिया तुम्हें मार डालेगी.
Absolutely.
You have to come out loud. और घायल का सीन याद आता है मुझे कि माँ की आंख सबकी. And then उसके बाद आज तक माँ की आंखें.
And you know, I feel suppression is like a spring.
Yeah.
जितना you know आप किसी को suppress करते हो, वो इंसान जब जिस दिन वो spring उछलता है, वो that it is just, you know, it goes very high.
Yeah, अभी भी I say, don't rub me wrong. I don't interfere in your life. मेरी लाइफ में ना तो उंगली करो, लेकिन मुझे किया ना तो मैं उंगली तोड़ दूंगी. मैं अकेली हूँ, सिंगल पेरेंट हूँ, माँ बाप नहीं है, इसका मतलब नहीं कि तुम कुछ भी बोलो.
Right.
So that you have to be like that.
Absolutely. And you know, the first marriage, it lasted for 10 years?
No, 97 and 2004.
Okay, 97, 7 years.
7.
What like you know what happened, because I think so you were married to an actor only.
Yeah.
So what went wrong in the marriage? What happened?
See, I always say I got married for wrong reason. As my household, my dad was so strict not to talk to anybody, not to talk to boys, nothing. So I was shooting for Ajnabi serial. When I did Ajnabi, then I said, अरे वाह, ये तो कल आज शूट किया, कल टेलीकास्ट हो गया, लोग जानते हैं, पैसे आ रहे हैं, fantastic. So I used to assist there. Danny G, everybody is like a family to me. So वहाँ पे we used to work together and Jeet was there and we were very good friend. Partying, dancing, drinking, ये तो मुझे छूट गए तुम. मैं छूट गई. मुझे लगा यही तो चाहिए मुझे जिंदगी में. यही तो बनना है. I didn't see other parts, other aspect of why you should get married. And then when I got married, a lot of things backfired, and now it's an old story, so let's not get into it.
Yes.
So, but जब समझ में आने लग गया कि ऐसे क्या कर दिया मैंने, तो you know what? Because my dad and mom had a very love-hate relationship, but they used to love each other. मतलब mom was a successful person, my dad used to be at home. It's a Kika situation. My dad used to look after us, responsibility shared all. तो मैं हमेशा ये देखती थी. तो मैं बोलती थी, डैडी आप एक काम करो, किसी और से शादी कर लो. मम्मा आप किसी और से कर लो, मेरी बहन को मैं संभाल लूंगी. That age I used to talk like that. So when I see me and my husband fighting, trying to match, not happening. And obviously I got married because I love children and I wanted to have a child. And when I was almost getting divorced, I was pregnant. So again, I gave one more chance to my marriage. कि चलो now, अब बोलते ना बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ ठीक नहीं होता और खराब हो जाता है. अब बच्चे की लाइफ भी बर्बाद कर देता है.
Right.
एंड ऐसे करते करते दूसरा बच्चा हो गया. बिकॉज आई वांट, अगर मेरी शादी नॉर्मल होती तो मेरे कुछ 8-10 बच्चे होते. आई लव चिल्ड्रन एंड माय फिजिक वाज लाइक आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दिस, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दिस, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दिस, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दिस. So I continued and dragged my marriage because of the children. They should not feel. But then I realized how I used to feel when my parents used to fight. I don't want my children to feel. My mom died in a train accident because one day my mom and dad had a fight and she was just going to a friend's house and she was crossing the railway track Goregaon. और वहाँ से विरार फास्ट आई and she met the accident. So I told, मुझे ट्रेन के नीचे जाके नहीं मरना है. And then my dad died in a guilt. He started drinking. I said, now she's not there. Now you live your life. He felt guilt 3 years after mom died. He died. I said, I don't want to die in the train accident and I don't want you to die like this. Let's not be together. That was a bold step I took उस time पे. And people say, अरे अकेली हो जाएगी, ये हो जाएगा. I said, it's okay. I'd rather stay alone. I was not dating anybody. There was no cheating, nothing. But I said, no, I don't want to be with you. I said, I have a problem with you. I am not leaving you because of somebody else.
Right.
So I don't want to drag. You live your life, I live my life. So my first marriage broke. And again, I left with my 2 children because I was pregnant with my daughter. My mom died. And then after 3 years, before my son was born, my dad died.
And बच्चों को वो समझाना, the separation, the divorce that happened. How was that? Like, what was the impact that happened on the kids also?
I never stopped my children by going going to his in-law, his father's house and thing. I said, no, let it be. They should not feel. Let it be normal. They know I'm working. They're working. तो बहुत time तक तो नहीं बताया. They're too young to tell. He's only say, Mama, आप नहीं आते हो, सबकी मम्मी आती है. तो I said, see, Mama has to work. Either she'll work. She's a mama and daddy. So you want your games or you want to come to the party. No, it's okay. But they understood, My daughter has seen a lot. So she understood. And she was a kind of mother to my son.
Achha.
And she like younger. तो वो हमेशा मेरा बेटा भी उसके पीछे, आज भी वो उसकी माँ है, मैं उसका बापू. पैसे देने के लिए मम्मा transfer, otherwise can we go for haircut, can we go, he'll not call me. So she's like that. And वो होता है ना, जब आप देखते हो बच्चे बहुत जल्दी mature हो जाते हैं. And then she realized later on कि it's divorce. We are not staying together. But he can go there, meet. तो बहुत तकलीफ होती थी, बहुत. कि क्या होता था, आई एम अ स्ट्रिक्ट मदर. बुक्स पढ़ के मैंने बच्चे बड़े किए. मैं एक डिसिप्लिन लाती थी. वहां जाके बच्चों को टॉय दे दिया, बच्चों डिसिप्लिन. यू आर बैड, डैडी इज गुड, दिस इज गुड, दिस इज. सो दैट वाज माय स्ट्रगल टू वर्क, to get the discipline, because in my house, my mom and dad never kept us like an actor's children. So I don't want my children to grow up like that.
Okay.
I want them to normal children, and I wanted to give them best education. And that's why I used to earn. I said, मैं कितने भी मेहनत करूंगी, but बच्चों को अच्छी परवरिश दूंगी.
And as a single parent, struggles किस तरह की होती है?
यही struggle होती है. आपके घर में कोई बच्चों को देखने वाला नहीं होता है. आपके mates के ऊपर आपके बच्चे dependent होते हैं. I never wanted to work after my babies. This was my life कि मैं शादी करूंगी, बच्चे संभालूंगी, उनको अच्छा education दूंगी. I'll be the best mother. But what happened? I used to leave them. I used to work. जब तक वो छोटी थी मेरे साथ आती थी, फिर स्कूल में तो छोड़ के जाना पड़ता था. My heart used to cry. I used to call कि देखो, I was just telling my daughter. I said, when you're small, I want to sleep with my baby, but you don't sleep because you have to sleep in the night and the नींद disturb हो जाती है. And then you ask your maid to sleep with them. So it's kind of just making them independent, and at the same time you're crying. This was the biggest struggle in my emotional struggle. leaving my children alone, working, doing this. Or till today, I feel the same.
But you know that guilt would come in at times, the
Too much
regret,
guilt.
the guilt.
Too much guilt. And then too much guilt, mein what you do too much for your children.
Huh.
So when my children were small, so I'll do, you want this thing? Take it. You want to do this thing? Take it. अब वो टेक करके अभी Gen Z जनरेशन हो गया. तो मुझे लगा था हम माँ बाप की सुनते हैं, अब बच्चे हमारी सुनेंगे. जैसे मैं मेरे माँ बाप के लिए थी, मेरे बच्चे मेरे ताले होंगे. हमको थोड़ी पता था जनरेशन ही चेंज हो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
Now it is like, so what you done? God, and my children doesn't talk like that. They respect their mother. They know how hardship we've done it. But एक होता ना, मैंने भी मेरी माँ के साथ बहुत झगड़ा किया है. तो जब ये आर्ग्यूमेंट कुछ होती तो मुझे ऐसा लगता, how can you talk to me like this? I sacrificed my life for you. But I knew it. मैंने लोगों को सुनते देखा है, बोलते देखा है कि मैंने मेरी जिंदगी पूरी वेस्ट कर दी, अब बच्चे ऐसा करते हैं. ऐसे मुझे ऐसी माँ नहीं बनना है. तो मैं काम भी करती थी, एंजॉय भी करती थी, ट्रैवल भी करती थी बच्चों के साथ. So I don't want to feel that I didn't live my life.
Right.
So I live my life. So today I don't complain. But that struggle is there. Today now they've grown up. I said, Gugu, can we just go? No, I have my plan. I cannot do. I said, okay, your plan. Then what happens to me? Me as a child, what I wanted and my mom couldn't do it. So I think, let her do it. So मैं तो फंस गई. पहले माँ के बारे में सोचती थी, बच्चों के बारे में.
एक्चुअली हमारा जनरेशन का वही प्रॉब्लम है कि हमने सोचा था हमारे बच्चे हमें ओबे करेंगे, बट नाउ इट्स become very different.
What our parents couldn't give us, we're giving. So I was seeing Netflix पे उसका कपिल का show where Amir Khan was talking the same thing. I'm like, oh my God, ये तो मेरे दिल की बात बोल दिया. तो ऐसा था, जब आमिर खान ऐसा फील कर सकता है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
Absolutely. And then Keshav came into life.
Yes.
2011, you made your directorial debut.
Yes.
Where you all met, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And then, if I'm not wrong, I remember seeing you all in a reality show also.
Yeah, this Love Lockup.
Love Lockup. Yeah, even the kids were on the show.
Yeah.
And uske baad you all got married.
Yes.
And 4 saal the marriage lasted. What happened there?
Again, the same thing. Like I said, one first marriage failed. So I thought it took me long time to be with somebody else because my psychiatrist, I used to do my therapies and everything with Anjali Chabaria. And Anjali saying, तू बहुत time लगाती है बाहर निकलने के लिए. Then फिर तू बहुत time लगाती है किसी के साथ relation में घुसने के लिए. So forget about the marriage. My relation with my children was not good.
Oh.
I used to get angry. I used to hit my daughter, and I'm like, Anjali, I always wanted children. Now why am I behaving with her like this? So then I started taking help from her. Then she told me she needs attention, Deepshika, and that's why she's doing it. And then we worked on it. Then the relation worked. So then I started giving focus to what my children want. So she used to miss father figure. And I was like, oh my God, मतलब मम्मा नहीं है, डैडी. तो I used to feel जो मुझे हमेशा picture perfect चाहिए था, वो हमेशा इनकम्प्लीट रहा. एज अ चाइल्ड मेरे माँ बाप थे लेकिन नहीं थे.
Right.
अब एज अ पेरेंट मेरे बच्चों के पास बाप नहीं है. तो आई सेड व्हाट इज दिस हैपनिंग, लेट मी टेक थिंग. एंड व्हेन आई मेट केशव, he was very sweet to my children and this and that, and I was making film and he was helping me in that, and then he acted in the film and all this. So you're in a vulnerable situation again where I was working my low life condition, my emotions, oh my babies, oh my this, oh me, मेरी भी life में होगा नहीं. So he used to do everything what my ex-husband used to not do. So I'm like, wow, he's so good. I didn't see what he is. I see he is better than him. You start comparing.
Right.
And I did comparison and I'm like, think everything is perfect, everything is fine, this. But we were two different people. And I didn't want to get married that time. I said, I don't want to get married. And this, but then I said, yeah, maybe let me work. So my friends telling, I said, Deepshika, you behaving like a man now. You became so hard now. You became very harsh. Calm down. So I was in the guilt. Maybe I'm harsh. Maybe I am not good. Maybe I shout, or maybe I'm getting angry because of my situation. So let me mellow down. So I was working on myself, but I didn't see the whole picture.
Okay.
So again, I don't want to blame. He was a different person. I was a different person. And then it didn't mismatch. And I'm like, shit, again I did. It could have finished very soon, but just because लोग बोलेंगे पहली शादी टूटी तो उसका प्रॉब्लम था, दूसरी में इसका ही प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो मैं खींचती रही. बट वो छोड़ोगे तो बैक टू स्क्वायर वन नहीं आता था. I said again, no. It's my life. It's one life. I don't want to live like this.
And you know, like I remember reading your interview, one of your interviews where you said that, you know, you feel marriage is unlucky for you.
Yeah.
आपने शायद ये किसी एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था. Why? What brings that thought to your mind?
That time must be that thought must be
Achha.
there, because again you think, "Hey, yaar, I am lucky in everything." See, career-wise also, if you see the career, कि वो बोलेंगे, अरे दीपिका कहाँ है? दीपिका माधुरी दीक्षित श्रीदेवी थोड़ी ना है. Deepshika is okay, one of the actor. But because I accepted कि this is what people don't reach here also. I reached here. I'm very grateful. So that time कि यार एक रिलेशन तो चाहिए था. बचपन से तुमको चाहिए ना, मुझे वो बोट चाहिए. तुमको वो बोट नहीं मिलती है, तुमको लगता है तुम अनलकी हो.
Right.
तो बचपन से मुझे वो मैरिज चाहिए था. वो नहीं मिला था. I'm not lucky. Rest of the thing I'm lucky. The film comes to me with ease. The money comes. Everything comes. I invest well. My children are good. This area of my life is not working. But now I know maybe the certain lesson, because spiritually you grow. I've done a lot of modality. The latest one I did was access consciousness. And when I learned a lot of things like Buddhism, art of living, that why me? Why me? And I realized there's a pattern. I made wrong choices with my emotions. It's nobody's fault. So let me make myself correct. Let me make my life condition high. So 7 years I'm single after Keshav. And I said, let me just do it. What was that I was doing wrong? I don't want to do it. So now I'm not lonely. I'm alone, but I'm not lonely. I love my company. I love my children. I have amazing work happening.
Absolutely.
People around me. What is it? It's better to be single than a bad relationship. So now I say it's not unlucky, but yes, there is a right person somewhere who's going to meet me very soon.
Absolutely. So, second time around, how did the kids take the separation, the divorce?
Second time तक तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए थे, and they kind of understood. So and in fact I was trying to manage this and that. For the children only I got married, but वही सब कुछ नहीं हो रहा था, so I was like, this is not right. So that time children were matured enough to understand, and they always said, "Mama, you are happy, I'm happy." They're like this. I remember when I was after my first divorce, I used to be at home and I was crying. I was so young, and I'm like, my life is just, मतलब बचपन से मैंने जो टीनेजर्स करते ऐसा कुछ तो किया ही नहीं. जब अकल आई, शादी कर ली, बच्चे हो गए, मतलब ऐसे तो पैदाइशी माँ ही थी मैं. I was nurturing my parents, now I'm nurturing my children. So she used to come with a small little hand and hug me. Don't worry, Mama, when Prince Charming will come to you. And I was like, oh, my daughter, she will write the note. The best has to come. Now I realize how she used to do it. She was much more advanced than me, So then now to my children and me are like, we are friends. This is the house we lived in lockdown. So ये कुछ नहीं बना था. ये गाय भी अलग story. I will tell you some other time.
Yes.
So we were 3 PGs. We have 3 rooms. So we come out of the room and I'm watching this. This. We are cooking together. So it was, Bhagwan ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए, but that was best time of my life,
Absolutely. And ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि हम partner के बारे में बात ना करें. Playing sister to Salman Khan in the film and, being in that one frame with Govinda and Salman Khan. How did partner happen? What was that experience like? So
life always happened to me.
Yes.
And absolutely. I've just gone with the flow. I've never planned anything. And that's why I'm quiet. So I remember I had 104 temperature in my Malad house. I was sleeping. And I was praying to God. मुझे बॉम्बे से बाहर जाना है, मुझे यहाँ नहीं रहना है, मुझे थोड़ा टाइम बाहर जाना है. And I know me कि मैं बिगर काम के नहीं जाऊंगी. And suddenly bell rings and Sohail calls me. Deepshika, this is the Deepshika. Sohail was talking very thing. What happened? Just go and meet David G, thing. I said, we'll give a guest appearance. And he was talking so much. So I'm like, okay, I'll go. I went and met David G. I drove myself. And I told David, क्यों आई बीमार थी? तो I said, नहीं David G, it's okay, tell me. तो he's selling ऐसा रोल है, सलमान की सिस्टर है और मुझे कोई चाहिए जो गोविंदा और सलमान के साथ खड़ी रहे. I said, okay. सीन क्या? सीन में कुछ नहीं है. मेरे साथ ऐसे ही काम होता है. तो बिकॉज जानम समझा करोगे, मैंने स्क्रिप्ट मांगी थी, सब कुछ किया था, मैंने पिक्चर को मना कर दिया. तो बोला ओके, आप जो बोलोगे मैं करूंगी. I'm doing it. I said, when are we going? Day after. I'm like, what? I asked God how to go somewhere and it's manifested. So till that time, मुझे ये मैंने जैसे कहा कि मुझे नहीं था कि सलमान खान है, बड़ी पिक्चर है. आई वाज लाइक, मेरे लिए था मैं काम कर रही हूँ, मेरे को पैसे मिलेंगे, मेरा घर चलेगा. दैट वाज माय फोकस. एंड आई सेड ओके चलते हैं. एंड आई वेंट देयर, वहीं जाके कपड़े खरीदे, ये सब कुछ किया, वो कुछ हुआ, कुछ पता नहीं. द फर्स्ट सीन कम्स टू मी, गोविंदा और मेरा सलमान का सीन जो फोटो में देखते हैं, सोहेल रैना बहुत अच्छे थे, ये था. तो आई डोंट नो, गोविंदा जी से मैं बहुत बार मिल चुकी हूँ, 1-2 बार, बिकॉज बरसात की रात के प्रोड्यूसर मेड रही ज्यादा. सो आई वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद गोविंदा. एंड गोविंदा आई यूज्ड टू फील कि अपने टाइप का है. आई डू नॉट फील वो है ना, ही इज अ बिग स्टार, बट स्टिल ही मेड मी सो कंफर्टेबल. So I was talking and we did the scene. हाँ ऐसा हाँ तू कैसी है, ये कैसी है, वो सब कुछ है. He knew my mother also and all. The minute I remember वो पूरा जो बंगलो में हम शूट करे थे, नीचे से मैं से ऊपर देखा and Salman is standing like this and I looked at like this and I'm like hi. Oh my God, Salman Khan. I said अभी वो स्टार, अब ये कैसे मैं काम करूंगी. थोड़ी मैं नर्वस हो गई थी. सिर्फ सलमान और शाहरुख के सामने नर्वस, किसी के सामने नर्वस नहीं होती. So I went up and I'm like, hi, how are you? This. I forgot about जानम समझा करो that I shot with him. Because I thought एक ही तो सीन किया, क्या किया उसमें, वही ना, तुमने क्या किया पिक्चर में.
But he remembers.
He was like, my God, elephant memory has. So we went there and we did a scene. तो जब वो आता है ना मेरा भाई, एक तो सलमान खान भाई क्यों तो सलमान भाई है. एंड वो सीन था कि ये करना, तो नर्वसनेस में ना मैंने डायलॉग जल्दी बोल दिया. Now I see, I said, अरे यार, as an actor, हाँ मैं तुम लोग के लिए चिकन तंदूरी बनाती हूँ, ओके हो गया कि मुझे कट नहीं होना. अगर कट हो गया फिर मैं नर्वस हो जाऊंगी. सो 1 टेक ओके हो गया. एंड देन वी केम एंड देन वी वर शूटिंग अनदर सीन. तो
वो यॉट वाला
सीन.
हाँ.
तो वहां पे था, तो हम लोग ऐसे खड़े थे. तो क्या होता था, डायलॉग लिख के नहीं आते थे. तू बोल, मैं बोल, एक खाली ढांचा होता था. Obviously Salman and Govinda knew their line, right. But I was like, so I had to be always alert कि मैं क्या बोलूं. तो वो बोलेंगे कि, और डेविड जी ने बोल ही दिया था कि मैं वो दोनों को देखूंगा, तेरा कैरेक्टर नहीं देखने वाला. तो I was like okay. And he knew my background from where I come and all these things. So जब सीन हुआ तो वो था डाइनिंग टेबल वाला सीन कि अरे मैं तो यहाँ रह जाऊंगा, मैं तो वो करूंगा. तो I was like, you don't fight. So I felt I am his sister, and then I used to treat him like that, कि वो रोल मेरा ऐसा था. वो thank God it's like that. We did that. कपड़े तभी खरीदे, फिर यॉट पे गए शूट करने के लिए ना. सलमान सडनली कम्स, पमी, इससे घटिया नाम नहीं मिला था इसे नाम, लाइक वैसे आदमी नर्वस हो जाए. तो आई एम स्टैंडिंग एंड अच्छा बहना ऐसे वैसे. तो ये ले, he gave me sunblock, rub on his back and I'm like okay, I have to say the line also. Selling, हाँ ये ऐसे ना, putting his zips. I was so scared कि इसकी skin नहीं आ जाए, ये नहीं हो जाए, वो नहीं हो जाए. I'm like, तो गोविंदा तो said, वाह क्या भाई बहन का प्यार है, भाई बहन में चलता है ऐसा क्या. मैं चलता है, ऐसे चलता हमारा. He zipped it, इसका भी मुंह zip कर दे. So it was so impromptu. Then Salman said the chemistry was coming very good. बाद में तो फिल्म तो मैंने किसी को बोला ही नहीं कि मैं फिल्म करती हूँ, तो इस फिल्म में कट जाता है रोल, ये हो जाता है. When I was doing dubbing, okay fine. So one scene is there where he gets caught, last scene. तो I told Salman शाम को, I said, मेरा back हो गया. तो वो तो बोल देती तो मुझे. I said, how can I tell you? It's first movie, second movie. Second? Oh, जानम समझा कर also I did. He remembered and he was so, that partner में I think I fell in love with Salman Khan. His personality, the way he is, the way he treated Govinda, the way he was there on the set is like, then I noticed, कि ये है. एंड जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो सब मुझे फोन करने लग गए कि तूने बताया नहीं. गुड 20 minutes I am there and none of my scene got edited. So I felt, oh I'm there. नहीं तो मुझे लगा चॉप हो जाएगा, मैं होंगी नहीं होंगी, like, so that was partner.
And he is always somebody who stays in touch with his co-actors. Yeah. So movie ke baad also he was in touch with you?
Yeah, but not that much. Of course, his life now, so it's corporate world. To reach Salman Khan is 7 samundar paar.
Both layers.
But no, whenever we meet, my daughter also met him. He's too much of love, respect. Always, he's the same.
Absolutely. And now there is this newfound love that you have of painting.
Yes.
Tell us something about that.
So these are the latest one I did. What happened, my Ish Jabariya show I was doing, I had to do TV because TV is a fixed job, good money, and my son is studying abroad, so I have a big responsibility, so I can't say no. but मैंने नायगांव मुझे नहीं जाना था. So I was doing Megha Barsingh in Bhandup, Ish Jabariya in नायगांव. So सुबह उठ के ऐसे भांडुप से नायगांव से ऐसे रोज भ्रमण करती थी मैं. तो जैसे मेरी आदत है, जैसे मेरा एक शो खत्म होता ना, ऑलवेज टेक अ ब्रेक, आई गो फॉर अ सोलो ट्रिप, आई गो रीजेन्युएट, लाइक बैटरी चार्ज कर लो. रिटायरमेंट तो होने का सवाल नहीं है. तो ऐसे देन यू गो बैक ऑन द सेट एंड यू लव इट, यू एंजॉय योर वर्क. सो दिस टाइम जैसे खत्म हुआ 23rd April, I went for Jim Corbett safari. One of my friend was doing safari. She used to always invite me. I said, let's go. I wanted to go to Rishikesh. She wanted to go to Jim Corbett. We went. I enjoyed the safari. I've done Masai Mara, but I said, let me feel the jungle and the nature and everything. When I went to Rishikesh, first day we did river rafting, Ganga में डुबकी मार दिया, सब कुछ किया. Thrill. I wanted to push myself. मैं जिस चीज से डरूं मैं ज्यादा करूं. तो नेक्स्ट डे से बारिश गिरने लगी सडनली. अब क्या करूं? तो वहां रिसोर्ट में ना बच्चे लोग को भेज देते हैं सब लोग आर्ट करने के लिए. तो 2 साल से मैं बोल रही हूँ ऑल माय एक्टर फ्रेंड्स हु आर पेंटर्स. आई सेड हाउ डू आई स्टार्ट, यू नो, आई रियली वांट. माय सन टेल्स मी, मम्मा व्हाट्स योर हॉबी, डू इट. योर हॉबी इज यू ओनली वर्क, स्लीप, गो, कम बैक, दैट्स ऑल यू डू. You should do something. I said, but I don't know. He said, paint anything. I said, anything, so I'll not paint. I'll not waste paint and all this thing. So I was there in the class, and this Hanuman ji ka one picture is there, Rudra Hanuman, just attracting me. So the sir was there, and I said, sir, can I do this? You happily do it. तो मुझे था कोई खड़ा है, मैं अगर गलत करूंगी तो बताना. I sketched myself, I painted myself, and I said, oh, it is so easy. And after I gifted to one painting, and I give. So my daughter said, no, mama, make tiger for me because you've seen tigers, and I'm a lioness. So I removed. तो फैमिली बना रही थी तो उतना वो नहीं था, तो मैंने 2 कप बनाए सिर्फ माय दोनों चिल्ड्रन, विवान एंड वेदिका. मैंने लिया तो सुबह 7:30. आई सेड बाप रे, यू वांट टू रीच ऑन द एंड. ये एक्सप्रेशन कैसे आएंगे? फॉर मी एक्सप्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई सेड यार ये नहीं आएगा तो कार्टून लगेगा, सिम्बा नहीं बनाना है मुझे. आई वाज डूइंग इट लेयर पेशेंस. अच्छा इसके बाद ये स्टेप, इसके बाद ये करती गई. 9:30 से बजे. अच्छा हुआ दैट सर वाज देयर. सो ही सेड मैम यू आर गोइंग राइट, यू आर गोइंग राइट. आई सेड ओके, I'll finish this. I'll not give up. And I finished this painting.
Wow.
So then my confidence happened. Then तो उसके बाद आने के बाद every day I'm just painting. बारिश, painting and my music. It's my best company.
Wonderful. You know, it's been so nice talking to you, you know, knowing your journey. But at this moment, if Deepshika has to give herself a message saying, dear me, living through this journey, what would you tell yourself at this moment in life?
Yes, dear Deepshika, I want to tell you, of course, you live your life to the fullest, but don't get scared. Don't feel anxiety. Somewhere I've lost the trust in relationship. Just go for it. The way earlier you used to take a leap of faith and jump, I'm telling you, just go for it. Life is beautiful. That's what I want to tell myself.
Amazing. Thank you so much for talking to us. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.